Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to open Sound Recorder app. Then select Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can click on this gear icon at the top right corner right away. Then click on File Type and select one of those options, in my case, High Quality. When you're ready to start your recording, click on this red button and then pause it or unpause it using this same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and in order to end it and save it, on the right one. Finally, you can name your recording however you wish to, and delete it right away by choosing Delete, or save it by tapping on Save. To access list of all your recordings, click on this right button with 3 lines. Now to play one of them, just click on it. If you wish to delete it instead, you need to hold it, select Delete at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!